Okay, I'd like to talk to you quickly today about taking screenshots. This is a standard skill that you should have, especially if you want to ask for help on an online forum, much like we do with Edmodo in class, but you might use this on the internet anywhere at home. You can post help questions to Twitter and all kinds of different places, but taking screenshots is a really important skill. So I've got my on-screen keyboard here, which looks nothing like your real keyboard. Your real keyboard's set up a little bit differently, but this is the button we're looking for. It's called print screen, and you can actually find it just underneath your volume up and down buttons on your Microsoft keyboard that you have sitting in front of you, which is just to the left of the number pad. So you'll find your number pad is over here, and then these things are kind of shoved up here in the corner. But your print screen key actually takes a picture of what's on your screen. It doesn't print it. It saves it to the clipboard, which is that quasi-funky space that Windows has somewhere that you can copy and paste things from. So let's say we wanted to take a screenshot here for whatever reason. So we'll just go ahead and hit that button. And what that does is it takes a nice picture. Now, what the heck do we do with that picture? Well, there are several ways that you can get it someplace else. Probably one of the easiest ways to get it into Edmodo is to go ahead and open up Microsoft Paint and go ahead and hit paste, and there it is. And then you should be able to save this. And for file type, you want to save it probably as a JPEG. That way we can easily do it, easily view it on Edmodo. Also, remember, while you're in Paint, you can use the brushes or whatever to mark up your image and show what exactly it is you're having a question about. Put big red arrows on, circle things so that we know what's going on, and that's a really handy utility to have. And then you just save that to your folder, and then you can upload that on Edmodo. Typically, if you're not familiar with this already, what you're looking at in the case of our class group, let me move this keyboard out of my way. You'll want to send to CIT7 or CIT8, whichever class you happen to be in. And when you go to post, right here under File, and that's where you'll add your screenshot picture. And then you can ask your question. Make sure to be specific, not just, I don't get this. Don't get what? You need to explain what your question is. That way your classmates and I can have a better chance of answering your question. Good luck and good screen shooting.